finally happening, guys.
Finally!
3, 2, 1, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, oh my. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first YouTube channel. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a get ready with me video where I'm going to be applying my locks, short locks, and in the process I'm going to be telling you a bit about myself and all about this channel, like everything this channel is going to be about, and why you yes, you should subscribe to my channel. So go straight into the video, the part where you've all been waiting for, the locks part. I'm going to start by sectioning this series, this crochet. We'll start. So guys, stage 1 complete. This is the part where I crochet it into it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. So you must be wondering where this comes to play. Yeah, this is where it comes to play. I'm going to divide it because I don't want it to tangle. So this part is going to be shorter, and I'm going to continue rolling it. In the process, before I get all caught up in this locks thing, like I said, I'm going to be doing a bit introduction about myself. So I'm going to start. My name is Ogundele Victoria. Yeah, my friends call me Tori. Victoria. I am a student of Dominion University. I'm in theory level. And badum. I'm losing it up a bit. I was nervous for like a bit because this is really look like what I ordered, what I got. But I don't want to change my mind. I'm going to finish it. Maybe it will be fine. On to the next. Now, the part where you've all been waiting for. What am I bringing to the table? Like, why is my channel going to be different from others? Yeah, I'm very sure that is the part you've all been waiting for. And I am here to tell you why my channel is going to be special and why you should subscribe to my channel. Channel description is House of Tori, and if you abbreviate it, it's hot. What I'm bringing to the table, right? I am bringing everything hot, like hot to this table, to this channel. Bringing hot gist, hot talk, hot fashion. Hey, what is it? Hot food, hot lifestyle. Everything is going to be hot, like hot air also. So right now, under this section, this video is a combination of hot air and hot gist, hot talk. More like a chit chat. You know, you get what I'm saying? I'm going to be telling you guys about my lifestyle. Like, I am a foodie, I'm a fun person to be with. And see, if you want to laugh, come to this channel. I'm going to laugh. Like, me laughing alone is going to make you laugh. Should we try it? Should we? Should we try it? No, actually, I don't. Oh, I just did. Did you laugh? Did you? Just going to continue with this vlog.
2,000 years later.
You guys remember when I was telling you that this is already look like what I got? I changed my mind. Like, it is so fine. I'm done with one section and I am going to move to the other section. I don't know if I should do the back or the front first. Alright, back it is. I'm doing the back. I've spoken about what my channel is about, but I've not really told you why you should subscribe to my channel, which is what I'm going to be telling you now. Waiting for you hot. I'm going to be giving you hot gist, hot fashion, hot everything. But you know, you can be wondering as a guy, what do I have to, like, what's my gain with this channel? Why should I even subscribe to this channel? As a guy, why you should subscribe to this channel is because I'm very sure as a guy you like food and you love lifestyles. I'm going to tell you acts about us that I feel like you need to know. As a lady, trust me, you have a whole lot to benefit from my channel. And also, did I also tell you that we're going to be doing pranks? Yeah, everybody loves pranks. We are going to be doing pranks, a whole lot of pranks. Thinking of it alone is exciting. Because of when I start. The natural lightning I'm using is already going down, so I have to use my ring light. And by the way, you know they say, though your beginning is small, your latter end shall be. Yeah, that's Victoria's version. That's not how the Bible said it do. I'm just starting this YouTube channel with just my ring light and my Techno Spark 5 Pro. But trust me, you guys are going to watch me evolve. You are going to watch the evolvement, the evolution of my channel. Yeah, this is enough reason for you to subscribe to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Click that button already. Click it. Guys, I'm going to just put it in and draw. Yeah, you guys know the process, right? I don't think I have to repeat the process to you guys. And also, guys, I was looking for the remaining part of my crochet pin, which was like here. I intentionally left it here to tell you guys how dumb I am. I was looking for it. Like I legit checked the whole area for this thing just for me to find out it was on my head. I used 10 minutes, 10 minutes to look for this thing. I'm pained. I didn't want to start at first, but I was like, okay, I'm waiting for an iPhone. I don't know how the iPhone is going to come, but I'm sure I'm going to have the iPhone. But then I decided to not deceive myself because Nigeria. But then I'm trusting God for an iPhone. But before that, at least I have to start something. So I just got a ring light to supplement my Techno Spark 5 Pro, and I am just so happy that this is finally happening. I'm not almost done. Don't let me lie. I'm not almost done. This is just my beginning. Trust me. My latter end is going to. My latter end is going to. I am super hungry right now. But then, I'm using this one to hold body because this is really fine. So there's something important I forgot to tell you. I'm a TikToker and I have close to 1.2 thousand followers on TikTok, and on Instagram I have 500 and I really can't remember, 540 I think followers on Instagram, and I'm also on Snapchat and my score is close to 10,000 right now. I'm literally on every social media platform including YouTube. Guys, I don't want to die. This apple is to die. Yes, this apple is to die. I don't want to die. Hell, but then that is my child. This is like threading. Like it is so painful. Actually, it's not all that painful, but then the fact that I'm not eating is making everything painful. Maybe if I eat and come back, it's not really painful again. Oh, see you. This lip is disturbing me. Get that. Let's move on to the next.
One eternity later.
So exhausted. I have like this whole side to do. You guys, pray I make it. Yeah, I know. I'm dramatic. That's what you signed up for. Subscribe to this channel, you already signed up for the drama. And trust me, the drama is never dry. Continue. My brain hurts. I can't take this anymore. I cannot take this anymore. I need to eat. I need to eat. The moment we've all been waiting for. Food. That is food. Like legit, I could not see what I was doing again. Like, spaghetti stir fry. food part enough. But then, you guys, you don't know how much of a food lover I am. I love food. Hell, like I cannot breathe that food. And God, yeah, cannot breathe that food. And God. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Sorry, I have a question, and I'm throwing it out to you guys. You can answer in the comment section. Is it just me that owns when like I'm eating a very sweet, very delicious food? Like it can't be just me. If you do that, so please tell me in the comment section. I'm really interested. I want to know if it's not just only me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Guess what's energy now? Mwah. So guys, my ring light just built on me. Yeah. Now it's just me and natural light. See, everything natural is good in this life because artificial will always, no, not always, sometimes bet on you. Yeah. So guys, back to I am my natural light.
Much later.
Guys, I am finally done with this hair. Oh my god, I am so sweaty and tired. Well, I'm not exhausted because I've eaten. So, finally, I am done. Oh, I forgot my scissors, so we're going to blade. I'm going to be doing a bit trimming, just a bit. Doesn't need a lot. So guys, I hope you love this video, and please do not. Why is it flying? Don't worry about that. So guys, I hope you love this video, and I hope you have clicked the like and subscribe button. I'm not ending, no, I am not ending. Don't go anywhere. I still have a bit to say, and I told you what this channel is going to be about. So if you have not still subscribed, oh, subscribe now. Subscribe. Don't waste time. Yes, my ring light fucked me up. I'm very sure the light right now might not be as great as how I started, but yeah, this is like close to, this is around 6, and my ring light is not working, so I have to use natural light. So in this video, I've told you what this channel is going to be about, and you learned how to make this locks. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and also, you might not know, but you learned it. You learned how to dissect chicken properly. Yes, you learned it. Guys, I love the outcome. What do you think about this outcome? But apart from the fact that it is still flying, I think, in fact, I know I love it. I love it so much. So thank you guys so much for staying. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe, please. Just do it now. Just subscribe already, and I hope to see you guys in my next channel. Oh, sorry. And if you have not subscribed, please do it now. Please subscribe already now. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And that is a wrap. Bye guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. It's a wrap.